So this week in the shop, we're making some more progress on the convertible Cuda. Working on the, I think they call it a boot. It's basically like the convertible cover, or what covers the convertible top when it's down. I believe it's called a boot. I got a whole load of plastic that needs to get dyed orange in the spray booth right now that I'm probably gonna do tomorrow or Thursday. Yeah, that's going on this week. A lot of the leather wrap stuff is back. We still got to dye some of the plastic. It's gonna be the first time we're trying that, so it should be fun. I'm gonna see how it's done, I guess. Hopefully it sprays like paint and stuff. I'm not doing it today because I don't have a big enough tip in the gun, and I wanted to use a little bigger tip because it was a little bit thicker, so I don't want it to spray blotchy and grainy looking. I want it to atomize better. So we're gonna get a little bit bigger of a tip. Should have it by tomorrow or Thursday. And then what else we got? We got from the last video, if you've seen the yellow that got smushed, they ended up totaling it, and the owner of that bought a new one, which is under the plastic over there. It's blue. I think the color is way nicer, my opinion. I think it looks way better. It's a really cool blue color. But right now I'm taking the tires off the rims. We're gonna powder coat, or we're gonna strip the black powder coat off of them and re-powder coat them tinted clear. They're forged wheels, so we might try to brush the faces before we powder them. So might look cool. I've never tried it on an OEM forged wheel, only like aftermarket forged wheels we've done. So we're gonna see how that goes. A couple other little things we're doing to it, like painting the calipers, some emblems and little stuff. And then we're starting the process on prepping this GTR for paint. We're not usually working on Japanese stuff, if you guys know. It's always a lot of American shit. So we got a Japanese car. It's pretty cool. It's pretty rare, I think. It's a right-hand drive GTR. I don't know anything about them, really, to be honest. So like, I can't give you any sort of details on it. I know that he's got some parts for it that are really rare and really expensive, like Nismo parts. Again, no idea what any of that stuff means or what makes something more rare than another thing in like the Japanese world. But it is super clean, and a lot of times when you see those, they're kind of shit boxes. So it's already a pretty nice canvas to start with. We're gonna be painting it pearl white. It's currently solid white. So that's exciting. And then it's going back to the customer to put it together. He does a lot of mechanical style work. He's got a shop over on the other side of the bridge. So he just brought it to us basically, and the condition is now just a little bit more together to get painted. So we're gonna hopefully be painting that in the next like week or two. And then just finishing up on some trucks and like headlights, taillights, stuff like that we're catching up on still from Atlantic City and all that. So that's what's going on in this week in the shop. Yep. I just went to my toolbox to grab some tools, and Eddie's plan worked. He left the GoPro on top of my toolbox, so that way when I pick things up, I'll pick up the GoPro as well and start filming. Anyways, so we're doing a quick little lowering kit on an F150 single cab. So I don't know if you guys have been on the web or the gram or even just like outside lately, but single cab F150, especially the newest body style ones, are starting to be extremely popular due to the fact that Ford's now selling them with like, I think you could buy them with superchargers and even like lowered and stuff like that. Like they're selling them pretty affordably priced with like nice aftermarket options. So yeah, so we have one here. Christian, who used to work here, you guys probably remember from old videos if you've been a subscriber for a while. He's got one, and obviously he didn't buy the one that was decked out from Ford already. He just bought one that's 4-wheel drive, and we're gonna make it pretty cool. So he's got some welds that he picked up, and we got an IHC 3.5 drop kit that we're gonna turn into a 3.6 drop kit, I think. So yeah, we're gonna slap this all together. We already started taking it apart, so I forgot to film that, but it's also really, really hot because it's like June now. Yeah, so we dropped the axle down, about to start taking the leaf packs out, because the way this kit lowering kit works is basically front's got upper and lower arms to lower it. The rear is a flip kit. So what you're gonna do is, instead of your axle being underneath of your leaf pack, you're gonna flip that upside down. So now picture, wait, hold on. Picture like, here's your leaf pack. I need 2 hands to do this. Here's your leaf pack. Your axle's normally down here where my pointer finger is. You're gonna put it on top. So obviously that's gonna make the axle and the wheel closer to the bedside. So in turn, making the truck lower to the ground, you know? So you go from there to there. Ready? From there, now the wheel's gonna be up here. So instead of the wheel being like down here with a big old fender gap, your wheel is gonna be up here with not a lot of fender gap. Because in 2024, we're gonna make fender gaps small again. Kind of like this truck and like those trucks out there, and then that other truck out there. And if you guys all just keep listening to me and lowering your trucks instead of lifting them, then everyone's gonna have small fender gap and we're all gonna be cool, instead of looking like a friggin' bozo with a gigantic square fender hole and a little ass wheel, which is apparently cool. They call it skating. Nothing's cool about skating, people. You don't want to skate. You want to have a little fender gap. You want to take your wheel and you want to put it all the way up in the hole, right? It's like kindergarten. You fit a circle in a hole, not underneath it. Anyways, let's get back to working. Okay, so we were doing some work and I forgot to touch the GoPro until now. But here's where we're at. We got an axle. We got the floating axle mod. It's not connected anywhere. Bluetooth axle. And we got some open space for the leaf spring. We got the axle pretty high up. It's like almost at the chassis. And then we have the leaf spring. The leaf pack is right here. Pins got flipped over upside down. We're not going to be using the shackle they give us, because the shackle is going to make the truck 1 inch higher than if you leave the stock shackle. So we're going to use the stock shackle, so it's going to be a 3.6 instead of a 3.5. Yeah, so we're gonna throw the leaf pack up underneath there, and we're gonna show you when it's done how the flip kit works. Even though I already explained it like for 25 minutes, you guys are probably sick of it. But guess what? You gonna learn today.
Everything is tight.
You going in the truck again?
Yeah, that was pretty
Oh, we tooted.
We tooted.
Oh, we are tooted.
We are tooted.
Yeah, that was super sick though.
It does look sick, right? Oh, very nice F-150. This has a wide lens on it. You gotta go. Yeah, you can, I'm still happy. I'm looking at Daniel, and you're still in.
No.
Come on, I'll just go from this way then. All right, Daniel, let me know when you're ready, buddy.
I'm ready as ever.
I think I'm filming. Yeah, it's flashing red.
Okay.
All right.
We forgot to show you the back. The back's wrapped up and the wheels are on. And we're working on the front now. So the front takes an upper and a lower control arm, stock strut, stock knuckle. So we got everything torn down basically, and we're ready to start assembling the upper and lower arms. Both of them need to get the ball joints bolted in, and then grease fittings added to them because they don't have grease fittings. We'll probably grease them after they're in the truck. Or we might grease them before. I gotta find my grease gun.
What do you think's better, before or after?
Before, but I don't know if my grease gun's here. So there's that. Yeah. So yeah, I guess let's I'm gonna drink a sip of water and then we're gonna start putting some parts on.
Whoever's watching this is so lucky because, like, for them, it'll be like 2 minutes till the truck's done.
Yeah, to us, we have sweat dripping down our ass cracks right now.
Yeah.
So
We're not doing too good over here. It's super hot in New York. But this is how the truck's looking. If I was from Carolinas, it would stay like this, but we're from New York. We don't do that stuff. It's not safe.
no, we almost got one side of the front done. I'm so tired that I don't feel like looking for a socket to use the impact gun to put the tie rod end on. I'm just using a wrench.
That'll hold. Tight.
Alright, so you alright?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, we got the front all done. We got a little duck. What? I don't want to be on camera. Well, anyways, front's on. We're going to lower her down. Oh. Is it lower in the back? Nah, it's pretty even, right?
It's even, yeah. I think it's perfect. I'm glad we left out that 1-inch shackle, the lift shackle.
Yeah, the lift shackle would have been a bad fucking idea.
Might be a hair tooted. Actually, looking from the back.
Yeah, but you gotta jump up and down on the front for it to settle.
Yeah. This truck's looking like a proper bimbo now. This thing's ready for the streets. Right, Duck? We just need some on-3 twin turbos. That's all we need. That's all we need, little guy. That's all we need. She'll be good. All right, lads. We'll see you at Clark's. See you at Clark's for some milk. Oh, yeah.
Nah, that shit looks sick. I like it.
You gotta be fucking.
Alright, we're gonna go outside and start over.
You motherfucker. You gotta get me, bro.
Wow, I didn't think anything.
Yeah.
Did you just?
It's recording.
Yeah, but did it say, are you in the? Okay.
Stop.
Okay. Alright, so we just filmed an intro. We're doing our special education. We're doing our, what do they call it? We're doing our special education internship. So we got my little cousin back at the shop who couldn't figure out how to turn the GoPro on and made me just talk for 5 minutes and didn't record it. So anyways, we're back. So we are in the middle, we're actually probably past the middle of doing the leather and plastic dye for the interior parts on the Cuda. We wrapped the seats, we wrapped the dash, a couple of door panels, stuff like that. So we're doing all the smaller plastic pieces that you can't really wrap with leather, with a leather dye. You can do the leather with it too, but we wanted to rewrap and do different stitching on the seats and stuff. That's why we did it that way. But I am 5 coats deep. I haven't recorded yet because I've been on the struggle bus all day. It's my first time using this stuff. It's not extremely friendly compared to, well, at least to me. Maybe like for like a person that doesn't paint often, it might be fine, but I'm trying to spray it like I spray normal paint, and that's why I kind of think I'm struggling, because it does not lay down like the normal paint that we use. You have to spray it like extremely dusty and dry and far back, and I'm more of like a heavy-handed painter.
And it's your first time using it, right?
Yeah, first time, long time.
Mm-hmm.
So been on the struggle bus all morning. It's really hot. We showed it in the last clip, so I'll show you again what the temperatures is.
100.
93 octane.
Close to 100.
Yeah, it's almost there. It's gonna be 95 in like an hour. So yeah, we're a little bit stanky. Not just physically, but figuratively. We just stank. So yeah.
Stanky leg.
So yeah, I guess Brooke's gonna take you in there and give you a tour of some of the orange stuff, and I'm gonna stay out here and hope that a little breeze comes by and dries my little forehead.
Oh, you're nice, because you got a lot of sweat dripping. Okay. Okay, tour time. So, I'm just gonna show all the pieces. I prepped these, by the way, just saying. So, and I prepped every single one of these pieces. This we're trying out. I don't really know if that's gonna work, but if anything, we're gonna just order it in orange and say F the paint.
touch stuff up. That was coat number 6 on a couple of things, but I thought I was only gonna do 3 coats.
That's gonna be the
Thumbnail?
yeah. Go follow me, Auto Body with Brooke.
Wow, a bead of sweat just dripped off of my upper back onto my lower back into my ass.
Show them how you make it.
I'm not making it anymore.
Oh, show them how you would make it. For those who want to learn. Gotta
This?
shake this real good.
This is the die. You gotta shake it like you're at the Jersey Shore. And
This
you just,
Alright, that sounds bad.
Like I was doing 600 grams of this and 21 grams of this, which is the binder. So it's supposed to be 1 pipette, which is 3 milliliters for every 1 pipette, which is 3 millimeters for every milliliters for every 3 ounces of that.
Very smart, very smart. Are you cleaning the gun out now?
Yeah, you want to clean this gun for me?
Oh, I was gonna show them how you.
Oh, internship activities.
But I also have to go finish that bumper.
Oh, well then what the hell are you doing honking around in here?
Well, do you want me to should have done yet?
Oh, should have done that. Oh,
Are you gonna do an outro or?
Yeah. Put your thumbnail in there.
What?
Show them your thumbnail. There's your thumbnail. Yep. Yep.
That's no an outro. Bye.
That's
Thanks
not
for
the whole
watching.
video. We filmed for fucking 7 minutes.
Well, yeah, but you know, it's
Oh,
nice to add something. Holy fucking shit.
What are you doing?
This isn't lemonade.
Who are you?
This isn't fucking lemonade.
You're not welcome.
Clown juice.
Sorry, wrong house. Delivery man, wrong house.
It's clown juice, not lemonade. It's crazy. Let me in so I can
Whoop your ass.
Yo, bro, this isn't lemonade. It's fucking clown juice.
I'm busy in the shop today.
I was like, lay off, bro. That paint is too expensive.